We'll start from the outside veranda.
Okay, outside veranda.
This one, the waterproof suspended ceiling.
Waterproof.
Why? Because now water resistant.
Okay, inside now.
Yes.
Water
resistant. Yeah.
resistant.
The plain one. And the one of the foreign one where they come by 8.
Okay.
That be this, and this one now. That be the one we use for the veranda. So now we can use for everywhere. So I want to show you how it be. But you see, don't be for only for inside store. So as you can see, yes. So now the anti-roof to the small lobby. Small lobby like this one. And 2 lobby in the house, so the other lobby there, inside the side.
Okay, what of here?
So like the storehouse, the toilets.
Okay, toilet.
Yes.
From toilet we enter.
And this one the main parlor.
Okay, the main parlor.
The main parlor is the visitor toilet.
Suspended ceiling.
Yes.
Work.
Now you all do straight down, and the water resistant.
Water resistant.
So
from here.
From here, this one the lobby.
Another lobby.
Another lobby.
Yeah, from here to the lobby.
This one the kitchen. Okay.
Okay. This one the lobby.
Yes, sir. Lobby. You see the for front.
Okay. Is it the front? Okay. What is it here?
This one are the kitchen store.
All through suspended
ceilings, waterproof suspended ceiling, all through white, no mixture, pure white suspended ceiling.
Okay, from here.
This one now, see the kitchen.
Okay, you're not the kitchen.
So this one, they come by 8.
Okay.
They come by 8.
They come by 8.
Yes, they pack. So that is this one, and this one are foreign suspended ceiling, and this one and chairman see the video, see another advertisement. So we come with the person with the fix and we come measure them. Tell them say see how much. Come give us go ahead for the work. So now what we don't complete with this.
Yeah, where?
And so on is not la toilet.
Okay, nursery. No, I'm not doing for the wash clothes.
The laundry, yeah, laundry room.
Laundry room. Okay, from there we see enter the veranda as we talk.
Veranda as we talk. You see that one, we have a video round before. So all of that is
take care.
So this one is still the lobby case to the veranda, as they call it. And the same pattern we use. Same pattern. So this one I see this.
Okay,
toilets.
here that's toilets.
Yes, toilets. This.
Wow.
Because this one are very spacious 4-bedroom. So this one are also the lobby too as well. The extension from that place to this place. So they say waterproof we use. See now one of the rooms here.
Yeah, one of the rooms.
See all of them they plump down. No one see it bend. No side streets. All of them. These streets down. And this is where they demarcate them, where they do for the cost now. They follow the cutters, they buy them. The only thing we go all buy outside down and the wall angle or the wall. The one they follow the one angle, they follow them all, but you go buy extra.
Okay. What angle they follow? You buy extra
trainer, yes.
Yeah.
So the
toilets.
Yes, for the rooms.
Okay.
So he does say you want to use this one because say this one are water resistant. And even though say maybe the roof they leak now, you know go they show, you know go they tell, you know go give them say it's okay. You where they drop for where they leak, say you see where they leak. So this one the other room. So all the rooms they big. They very big.
Okay, from here we come this side.
So it's one
what of here?
On that room be this one. So I see the bedroom. On that room is
another room.
See the toilet for the room.
Can I be the toilet?
Yes, sir.
Okay, from here.
We can go the biggest room.
This one, see the lobby.
And then the lobby, yes.
Small lobby from
Small
here.
lobby.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So see the big room.
You say now here that be the big
Room. I know we get wardrobe. We get wardrobe for the corner. Sef.
wow, very big.
So this place of like in our mini flats. You get your own because the way they take do design the place. I waiting chairman talk. Say
Yes, say lobby.
lobby. See here na the wardrobe. Now I want to take here too.
Okay, here now be the wardrobe.
And here place na here na the toilet and the bedroom. Here na the wardrobe. They keep their closet, everything. So their toilet and bedroom on the side.
Okay, toilet and bedroom.
I can be this place. So this one they call now you call VIP session. That's like just like saying one flat. Be all those self-contained standard.
Wow, now everything for finish?
Yes, sir. Everything for finish, sir.
It has very big.
Very big, oh, very big. Yeah, I tell you the amount of the entire will shock you. Telling you.
So my people, I'm gonna take me around with for do suspending ceiling work here, and they don't through with the work. Now the first time they come here, I don't come here reach. I don't feel counter. From the beginning when I build this house, I did. And one of our clients builder, but the best electrical I see been of I do the electrical work. Plastering, I do the plastering. For now you can do this suspending ceiling work. Okay, what is that name?
My name now Mr. Obina. You see the person as water collector guy, Mr. Water Collector, and where they represent Anna Choose Company Limited.
Mr. Obina, aka Water Collector man. So if you tell us this, what the total square meter you tell me measure?
We use total square meter, they will come convert that to cartons. To how many cartons? Because total square meter we will check for here.
Yes.
Is 311 square meter. 311.
311 square meter.
That was approximately 108 cartons.
100.
So that one will come by 8
cartons.
Yes.
Okay, that one they come by 8. Now that one will come by that be foreign.
That be the foreign one with the heavy for hand.
Okay.
If they cut them, you know they bring dust. Okay. And that be the advantage of that one. The one by 12 day, but the chairman say insist on that foreign one. So we be say in the long run, you know, we'll get issue. Be say they bring out dog, but this one now as you don't be in a foreign go day, you know, we'll get even though say the sun they hit them, you know, we'll see and say the pork or carry belly come down because the way they do one, not the way they do for Nigeria own.
As you say, now water resistance. Let me say water called a meter. You come
No, water. You know, they don't think they do them. You understand? You know they do them because if you see the one where they from my office, now the one where we say my rule leak now, it does stay there, but water they back up. Yeah, you know, we don't stay as they don't say now water. That's some.
But they give sign. If they give sign,
they give sign.
Okay, say your roof the leak.
Yes, but if they tell us now what they be saying now, what it is soak now, the thing go down collapse since. Or you see the water with it there. So this one working now pure water resistant. Understand? I would say I get something. See like this one now. See this one now. Now of course this one. You see the thickness.
Okay. Wow.
Very thick.
This one is dust.
So now. So now the foreign one be this one. This is
okay, the foreign one.
You see the thickness. You know see how thick it can be.
Okay.
Very very thick. There's a place you know even thick like this. Understand? You even get the same weight. As that POP type where they come with gold and white.
Okay.
So now be
so you say they come with a accessory, but you see buy some to
we go buy nails, banding wire, and the extra wall angle. Now you go buy.
So how do you want to contact you?
Contact me to Edo Talk Show.
So what will I tell the man?
I will say a big thank you to him. I thank you for waiting. When your understanding is like, see, we argue for the negotiation, but a person will be the understand person. I say God will bless her for giving all this work to install for a house. And bless if anyone, more God will give her more blessing, will be on that house work. He'll see call or contractors again to do suspended ceiling for her.
Okay. So 1 carton for the suspended ceiling when we do it, how much for that foreign?
Oh, that for one currently now the price is 16,500.
16,500 for 1 carton.
Yes.
Okay, like how many weeks take you to do this work here?
It take us a week and 3 days.
A week and
3 days.
3 days.
Yes.
How much can be your labor when you do the work?
The labor, say I bring the person come, make on shake the measurements. So what they charge for labor now 350.
350,000
Yes,
they charge.
Yes,
and a good job here. So one more time, you will see, you call a number when I was a viewer. Before you call a number, my people, the plastering are there, electrical piping work, better best, as you know, it be done via Obina, aka water connector. Now therefore buy the suspended ceiling board and I go and I say brief person will install. Okay, call that your phone number.
Okay, my phone number now 070-6978-6509.
Oh, that number there?
Yes, sir. And 080-3388-4611.
My people, I greet you for time to watch this video.